Hello everyone. This is Sharmila Ravula from Enact Systems, and we are going to talk about designing residential solar proposals for the Indian market. Today we have Praveen Garg from Homescape Solar, who's the manager of residential solar for Homescape with us, and Rohit Maurya, who is responsible for customer success at Enact Systems. Um, uh, my name is Sharmila Ravula, and I'm the Chief Strategy Officer for Enact Systems. And we will be talking again about Enact Systems and how we can put residential solar proposals together very quickly with our platform and accelerate the sales process for solar projects in India. So Enact Systems provides a software platform both for developing new solar and storage projects. And when we mean with development, we mean putting together designs of solar arrays, putting proposals in front of customers, getting the projects signed, and then also managing these projects on one single platform. Enact Systems also provides asset management services for the solar or storage projects once they go live as part of this single digital platform that can be used by installers, asset owners, as well as end customers um, to manage all their solar and energy storage projects. Uh, uh, Praveen, if you could quickly introduce yourself, followed by Rohit, we can then get started at providing an overview of the Enact platform, followed by the Homescape solution, solar solution, which will be followed by a demo by Rohit on how you can use the Envision platform for solar proposals. So Rohit, if you could, Praveen, if you could quickly introduce yourself, that would be very helpful.
Yeah, sure, Sharmila. Thank you so much. Um, Thank you for inviting me today in this webinar. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to um be here today and discuss about residential solar in India and how Homescape as a team is transforming this market using Enact platform, which is very handy tool for us to design and send proposals to our customers. So yeah, my name is Praveen Garg. I am operations manager in Homescape. Homescape comes from the house of M Plus Solar, which is uh, industry giant in primarily rooftop segment across India. Uh, so yeah, so my primary responsibilities include end-to-end project delivery after sales conversion. So which essentially includes um, uh, uh, inventory management, warehouse operations, and customer uh, feedback and regulatory operations as well. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Praveen. Rohit, if you could quickly introduce yourself.
Yeah,
Get started.
sure. Thanks, Sharmila. Hi, everyone. This is Rohit Maurya. I'm part of the customer success team at Enact. And I basically, closely work with different customers in different countries who are using Enact, and yeah, right from the stage to set up their accounts, to work with them, to configure their platforms and conduct trainings. Yeah, so that's my job role.
Great. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Rohit. So in terms of the Enact platform, today's focus will be on the Envision aspect of it, which is focused on developing new solar and storage projects. Um, we can use the Envision platform from design, from managing the project, from lead generation all the way to installation of the project and handoff to customers. So the Envision platform has different modules, and I will very briefly cover some of the more important aspects of this platform. We first start with the Envision design module, which actually is used by customers as an installers and developers across the world in 20 countries to size and design solar and storage systems for their end customers, whether it be residential or commercial customers. We provide software where you can use Google Images to quickly design a panel configuration, connect inverters, which you may be using from different suppliers to these different panel configurations, and then analyze the energy modeling for the entire year to look at how the energy, the estimated energy generation would be for these solar arrays that are being designed. We can also take into account the utility rate information for each customer, look at the which could be entered as utility bills, or we can also automatically enter a lot of data through uh, interval data uploads that if you could get from customers, we can use this to actually create the load profiles for customers to help design and optimize the solar and storage systems that are being deployed at these customer sites. Once the system is designed, the Envision platform analyzes the entire energy, projected energy generation from the solar array, also takes into account the storage system and the charge discharge cycles for the storage system, and comes up with analysis on how much energy savings the customer can have with the solar only or solar plus storage systems. We can look at not just the bill savings pre and post solar, but also look at the financial impact of whether the customer is uh, uh, paying cash or taking a loan or signing up for a lease for these solar or storage projects. So for instance, in case uh, uh, an installer wants to propose a cash purchase versus a loan, the Envision financing module helps the installer explore both these options for the end customer and propose a loan versus a cash only purchase for this solar project. Uh, Once the design is done and the contract is signed with the customer, the Envision workflow module helps manage these solar projects from the preliminary site analysis all the way to the installation of the system, as well as to track the permits and final inspections, etc. So we provide an entire project management module where different team members within an installation team can manage the entire project, again, from design all the way to the installation and permission to operate. This helps accelerate and also keep these solar projects on time and on schedule. So with that, this gives you a very high level snapshot of what the Envision platform provides. We would like to follow this up with a presentation from Homescape, where Praveen will explain how they're using the Enact platform and also how what systems Homescape provides for residential customers. And we will follow that with a demonstration of the Enact platform where we can show how Enact is used by Homescape to design and sell solar systems. So let me stop here. And Praveen, I would greatly appreciate it in case you could share your presentation and give us an overview of Homescape.
Yeah, sure, Sharmila. hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, Homescape is a residential business arm of M Plus Solar, and today I will talk about uh, how did this idea of Homescape comes up, and what are the product offerings which are different from the market. And in the last part of my presentation, I'll share the experience we have with Enact systems, how using Enact systems helps us streamline our processes better to act as fast and achieve our turnaround time of a project delivery, uh, which is 15 days. So first I'll introduce the M Plus. So M Plus is a leading power. It's a EPC developer and a leading owner and operator of distributed solar assets in India, primarily in the commercial and industrial segment. So the company was started 10 years back. Today, it owns 800 plus megawatt of operational and under construction capacity, out of which uh, some 600 plus customers are from residential segment. So we are we have won many awards in our journey of this establishing ourselves as a rooftop uh, developer in India. So the most notable award which we have won three times in a row is the certification by Great Places to Work. Other than the awards, we have established ourselves with the different industry forums and the policy groups, where we discuss the policy issues with the directly with the government and the MNRE. Uh, Also, we are part of World Bank consultation group on rooftop solar financing, and we are very active in other solar associations like International Solar Alliance and CII. So M Plus is again, it was acquired by Petronas 1.5 year back. So Petronas is a Malaysian energy giant. It's a Fortune 500 company ranked at 158th position. So Petronas, the strong financials enable M Plus to invest and invest in and maintain assets which are best in quality across territories in India. So these are some of the on-site plants where we uh, acquire. We have 200 plus megawatt capacities, and we are also operating in open access solar segment, where this 550 plus megawatt of capacities are in either in operational or under construction right now. So this was a quick introduction of M Plus, and Homescape is a uh, like I said, that it is a solar residential business arm of M Plus. So I'll quickly touch upon the product offerings and the customer success stories uh, uh, which we have acquired till date. Before that, I just want to brief upon how did this idea of Homescape came up. So around 2.5 years back, M Plus wanted to get into this residential solar segment, because the most coveted target of Indian government of achieving 175 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2022 under National Solar Mission, out of which 40 gigawatt was assigned to rooftop solar segment. And in that 40 gigawatt, uh, India has only acquired around 10 to 12% of the capacity uh, in the last till the last 6 months, and there is so much potentials to foray into this segment. And so we have done a market research study across Delhi NCR, where we uh, select samples of the customers, talk to them, what is what is a factor which stops them to acquire to install rooftop at their residence. So we have come up with some findings in which some findings are very interesting. There's a chunk of customers which who wanted not just solar, but also a product which can be used, which can add aesthetic value to their residence. So these customers were brand conscious. They have a reputed image in the society. They were they are very socially active, and so they wanted something which matches their lifestyle, also which gives also benefit of solar. So we have come up with our flagship product, which is Atrium. It's a wooden pergola, steel enforced, water resistant and termite proof structure. uh, One sample you can see in this image in the slide. So yeah, so this is the flagship product, we call it Atrium. And this is where Homescape comes up to acquire this niche segment of the customers, which not only wanted solar savings but also aesthetic value of aesthetic value at their residence. So like I said, we establish ourselves in for this niche segment, and the trust came from the M Plus brand, uh, which was working in this rooftop segment from last 10 years. Uh, we have also combined this IoT enabled app, which is very handy to use, and the customer can track their solar generation live. They can also track the savings which they are getting from the solar vis-a-vis the discom utility energy consumption. They can also track their ROI, their payback period, and they can also call for an AMC request, which is maintenance request if required. So it is a mixture of beauty and solar and technology. So we have set up a goal to energize every urban home with not only with the long-term savings which was provided by solar, but also gives an aesthetic touch to the residents of the customers. So I just want to touch upon two success stories which are very influential customers we have dealt with. One is Uma Gajapati Raju. She is a former member of parliament. She has installed 8 kilowatt of atrium at her residence in Garden Estate, Gurgaon. She's a she's a home decor enthusiast, and if you visit her house, you'll find um, uh, uh, many decor items uh, fixed and installed at every nook and corner of her house, beautifully designed. So so our product was matching with her passion, and she went with this atrium installation. Another one is Rita Nahata. She owns Amrit Farms, which is a self-sustainable 1 acre property uh, in the uh, in the heart of Delhi, and so she also she's also into the handicraft business, and she also lease her farm for party functions, and she is very socially active. She arranges parties, so she wanted something which is self sustainable and which can provide a party place for her farm. So she already had this 12 kilowatt of solar plant installed, and she went for this 5 kilowatt uh, atrium, which was an add-on to her existing profile. So uh, in our growth story, we have launched ourselves 1.5 year back. Till date, we have acquired 613 customers. The capacity totaled to 3 megawatt. Along with this IoT enabled app I talked about, we also provide unique delivery experience, which is provided by our in-house Homescape truck, uh, which is being managed by highly trained manpower, and we ensure that this in-house truck uh, uh, so we have launched this truck. Why? Because we have seen that there is a quality issues when the material is in transit. So we have launched our own truck, uh, which takes material from our warehouse to the delivery site, and the whole operation is streamlined, and our manpower are trained in such a way that no such uh, uh, material loss or adulteration of material occurs in transit. Uh, so yeah, so this is again another USP of Homescape. So like I said, Homescape provides an aesthetic value where a customer can install this wooden pergola in their farms, in their lush green gardens, alongside this swimming pool if they have in their houses, so that they can arrange a party function. So we are not just a solar product, we are a life, we pitch ourselves as a lifestyle product, which gives a benefit of solar. Along with solar, uh, it is a place to a place of worth, we can say. So so when we launched it, we were ready with our post sale operations. We acquired a Homescape truck, we launched it, we to handle the logistics. Along with that, we have launched our IoT enabled app, but we were finding challenges in our pre-sale scenario, where we have to design a plant and we have to submit proposal to the customers uh, for deal closure. So there we found Enact systems very handy. After subscribing to Enact, this whole process of pre-sales, which starts from design to financing options to proposal submission, uh, all of these scenarios we could done within 5 minutes. So Enact systems in a way handles our challenges which we were facing while in the pre-sales, where we are negotiating with the customers. So uh, in that scenario, uh, the offerings by Enact systems comes very handy. So I'd like to Rohit to just go through the how we are using the Enact systems in designing and proposal generation for Homescape. Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Praveen. So, I guess, Rohit, if you can share your screen.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Hi, everyone. I hope you're able to see my screen. So this is the Enact Envision platform. It's a web-based platform, and I've opened up, one of the projects here, which is, I believe, a farm. So we can do a ground mount first, and then I'll also show you a roof mount project. So once a project is created, you have option here, which is a billing info, where you basically select the utility provider and the electric rates which are available in the area. So depending on the location of the site, this is automatically, populated in terms of, the electric rates and the providers which are available. And you can pick and choose, in the platform. You can also update the bill either in the annual or a monthly format. So if you have monthly bills, you can use that to update. Or alternately, at the time of starting the project, if you don't have monthly bills, you can also use an annual number, an annual consumption bill amount to update in the platform. What I've done is I've updated the bill amounts here month on month, and you can also visually analyze that on the platform and see the consumption and the bill amount month on month for that particular property. Now, this is where the consumption profile of the customer is done. If there are multiple meters, you can also add more than one meter and capture the consumption profile for that meter, for each of the meters separately. Now, when you start to create a proposal, it basically launches the design tool. So I'm going to edit one of the proposals here. And the design tool launches the Google Maps. So we are integrated with Google Maps, and the property will be on the center of the page, depending on the site location that you've used to create the project. And then on the left, you have all the design specific options where you can adjust the roof tilt, panel tilt. So in case of the ground mount, I'll leave everything to 0 right now. And I'll show you how that can be changed. You can pick and choose the modules, the different models, and all of this can be customized depending on what you want to use. So you can pick and choose that. Now, drawing a PV array is fairly simple. So I've done two groups of arrays here, which are 2x5. So another group I can, create here. And you basically have to select the edges where you want to put the panels. So that way the system identifies the dimensions and calculates how many panels would fit in that space. You can change the design. Say you want to look at a landscape. Also, with Homescape, you have different options that you can pick and choose, which are your racking options. And you can adjust the panel tilt. So say you have a 10-degree panel tilt, the system automatically takes the inter-row spacing into account. You can delete the panels. So I say I want to delete the panels and have only 2x5, kind of a structure. So I can do that. The total size of the system is shown at the top. So you see it's a 11 kilowatt system. Then I can size the inverters, and again the platform here shows what is the required AC capacity and how much of inverter, how much of capacity of inverter I've added. So I've added 5 kilowatt. I can increase the capacity and now match with the required AC capacity here. Again, the hardware of inverters can completely be customized. And then you pick and choose what is your post solar electric bill for that property. Utility escalation increment, so this is basically increment in utility rate year on year. It's a manual input. You can increase or reduce that. So I'll change that to 3%. System losses are overall losses for the project. Yes, that's also a manual input. And finally, do system results, where the platform calculates your consumption bill and compares that with the generation. So what you're seeing in blue is consumption and orange is generation. You can also look at bill offset month on month. So you can see what is the pre-solar electric bill and what is the post-solar electric bill. Some of the data points are also available here, like how many panels you're adding, what is the size of the system, the generation we're getting from those panels, and how much of energy benefit we're getting. So this is a 55% offset, and the cost savings, which is a 42% in this case. So once we have the design, then we do the commercials, and this is where you can add your price. So this is the finance page, and you can basically add your rupees per watt pricing, and the system will basically calculate the overall sale price. So if I change, say, the pricing here, and assuming this is a 50 rupees per watt, I can change that. And the overall price for the project is here. I can add GST, GST percentage. So say that is an 8.9%. The finance options also are available. There's only one option right now here, but it can be customized depending on the banks and the PPAs you work with. Also, any incentives, if they are available in different states, that can also be customized, and it can be added in the form of profiles. So that can be done. And then finally, you can generate the proposal. This is in the form of different templates. So you can have more than one template in the system, and we download the proposal. It's a PDF document, which is basically a customer ready document. It's designed in a way that, once you get the PDF, all the information about the project, details of the project, the system details, and the commercial details are all captured in this PDF document. So basically what you're doing here is a customer ready document, which can be sent out to the customers. So it takes only a few minutes, probably 15 to 20 minutes maximum, for you to design a system and generate these PDF documents. And this one is the Homescape proposal. So I'm just going to quickly show you that. So if you see, this has been designed, for Homescape. It's a cover page image with details of, the project, the address and the email address, phone number, all of that is captured, which are all dynamic. It's a good write-up on the Homescape, projects. Then you have details on the system, the size of the system, the rooftop, the aerial image of the design that you're putting together, the environmental benefits that you're getting from this project, then details of the hardware that you're using. All of that is captured, in the proposal document, with some notes and graphs to analyze data. So this is a month-on-month energy offset. And then you have commercials, the payback period, the IRR. Also, in case of a finance option, you have, what is the term, what is the finance payment, the savings that you're getting from 25 years, the payment schedule, some maintenance and apps details that Praveen had spoken about, that is captured on the proposal, the truck, and the kilowatt offset graph, pre and post solar benefits. So you have utility cost, how much of offset you're getting, and how much, so basically post solar, how much of electricity is from utility and how much from solar. So that way you can compare, the details here. And then you have a good 25-year cash flow, which clearly shows you, the flow of cash and the year that you're going cash positive, and the total savings that you're going to have in 25 years. So it gives you clarity on the commercials. Yeah, so these are, the proposals that can be generated. Going back to the platform, again, I quickly want to take a few minutes and show you a rooftop design as well. So I've basically created another project which is a rooftop project for an apartment in Bangalore. So let me just quickly take that. Okay. So this one is, like I said, it's a Bangalore apartment. Let me quickly pull that up here. And this is also a residential design. And there are quite a few features also, which are available, with respect to the design. Like, for example, the keep out feature, assuming, this is an obstruction on the roof, and, it has a certain height that could project shadow. So I can basically adjust the height for that obstruction, and I will be able to see, where the shadow would project for most part of the day. So this way I can do the shadow analysis. This works really well for any obstruction, either on the roof or, say trees around the roof that may project shadow. So that is one way that you can, do the shadow analysis. And drawing the panels again is fairly simple. You select the edges where you want to add the panel. So in this case, say for example, I want to have panels here in this side of the roof. I can see I have 21 panels fitting on that roof space. Again, I can change the design, panel tilt, if there is, and the interrow spacing also can be adjusted. There's a system given interrow spacing. So with a 10-degree panel tilt, the system automatically takes 0.3 interrow spacing. So you have, yeah, so you can adjust that. And everything else remains the same. So, be it a ground mount or a rooftop design, everything else that you've seen on the inverters, additional choices, results, and then, over to finances, commercials, everything remains the same. Yeah, so that actually brings me to the end of the demo.
Thank you, Rohit.
Thanks.
Yeah, so maybe I can just share my screen so that I can share our emails. Please feel free to connect with us at any point of time if you have any questions. So let me just pull up the last. Yeah. So Rohit's, Praveen's, and my email addresses are here on listed out here. So if there are any questions regarding Homescape Solar or about the Enact platform, please feel free to connect with any of us, and we will be glad to answer any questions. And if you would like to get a trial account for the Enact system set up, we will be very happy to do so. So thank you for joining us today and hope you have a great day. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you, Rohit.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sharmila. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.